Hello guys, this is Alex here at Car Guy. I just wanted to make this video right now about how easy it is to replace the oxygen sensors on your 95 BMW 740iL. These are Bosch brand. I got them directly from partsgeek.com. I got the part number right here if you want to take a look at it. Really easy to replace, guys. You don't need a ton of tools at all. All you need is a 10mm socket, and I got my my drill here, my drive, 22 millimeter wrench, some VW40, the oxygen sensors, and pretty much that's it. And you need some ramps to put the vehicle on, just like I did. So pretty much want to show you what the process is. I already replaced the parts. These are the new old ones. But what you basically do is you get underneath the vehicle. Once you raise it up in the air, which of course you can do it with jacks, it's actually really accessible. You get right underneath the vehicle, and then right here is where you have the oxygen sensor, and this is the little box for it right here. So let me show you how easy it is to replace it. Basically, you have this 22 millimeter nut on the O2 sensor, and you're basically just gonna put your wrench in there like that. And you know, it takes quite the force to undo it at first, so keep in mind you might need a hammer. Mine was actually, once I put the VW40, they were pretty loose, so I was able to easily kind of loosen the bolts, and then I tightened them to specs, so now they're pretty good. These are the brand new ones. And then all you're gonna do is you have two 10mm nuts right here, which I'm gonna actually show you how it works. Once you undo the bolts right here, sorry, let me show you guys like that. See right here, once you undo the 10mm bolts, you undo them both. And I have this box right here loosened, and then this is the connector. And then you're gonna pull the connector out and unplug it from the top right here. And then that's how you're gonna remove it. So do that first before you loosen the bolt and before you uncrank it. And then all you do is, like say, just put this back on, like that. Sorry, I'll show you. And you put the bolts back in and you tighten it. And then what I did in the end to erase the code is I got the scanner tool right here, the scanner tool AutoFix, that is specifically for BMW 7910, and I got my 20-pin adapter that I actually got alongside with that for extra 20 bucks, because my model is a 1995 and I did not have the I personally did not have the OBD2 connector, so I only have the 20-pin. So that adapter, I erased the code, and right now I have no more check engine light, which is great. So that's how easy it is to replace your O2 sensors, guys, on your 1995 BMW 740iL. And yeah, there you go. Thank you.